Azerbaijan, a country located at the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia, known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and natural beauty. Azerbaijan is situated on the Caspian Sea, bordered by Russia to the north, Georgia to the northwest, Armenia to the west, Iran to the south, and Turkey to the southwest. Its capital is Baku, which is not only the largest city but also the cultural and economic center of the country. Here are some key points about Azerbaijan. History and culture. Azerbaijan has a history dating back thousands of years, with evidence of human habitation since the Stone Age. It has been influenced by Persian, Turkish, and Russian cultures over the centuries. The country has a rich cultural heritage, including literature, music, notably Mugham, art, and cuisine. Geography. The landscape of Azerbaijan is diverse, ranging from the flat Caspian Sea coast to the greater Caucasus Mountains in the north. The country is known for its mud volcanoes, ancient rock carvings, petroglyphs in Gobustan, and the unique fire phenomenon in Yanar Dag. Economy. Azerbaijan's economy is heavily reliant on oil and natural gas exports, due to substantial reserves in the Caspian Sea. However, efforts have been made to diversify the economy into non-oil sectors such as agriculture, tourism, and technology. Language. Azerbaijani, also known as Azeri, is the official language, written in Latin script since the early 20th century. Russian and English are also widely spoken, especially in urban areas and among the younger population. Tourism. Azerbaijan has been increasingly promoting tourism, showcasing its historical sites, natural beauty, and modern infrastructure. Baku's old city, Echerishaha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a major attraction, along with the Caspian Sea resorts and the ancient city of Ganja. Politics. Azerbaijan is a presidential republic, with the president as the head of state and government. The political landscape has seen significant developments since gaining independence from the Soviet Union in 1991. Overall, Azerbaijan is a country with a unique blend of ancient history and modern development, offering visitors a glimpse into its rich cultural tapestry and natural wonders.